Did you get a rare philodendron in the mail today? I did. Philodendron melichrysum. So let's pot it together. Just so happens I have the perfect soil mixture. Check it out. Do you guys like plant mail as much as I do? Let's see what's inside. I feel this box is handmade. It's really cool. And wrapped in newspaper with some interesting horoscope information on here in a foreign language I cannot read. Wow, it's so pretty. Look at that.
Are your tortillas, man?
Gorgeous. Different kinds of plants require different kinds of soil. Aroids needs are a lot of drainage. I have experimented with this mixture. 15% Coco Coir, 20% Orchid Bark, 15% Perlite or Pumice, 20% indoor potting soil, 10% activated charcoal, 10% worm castings, 5% peat, sphagnum moss, and 5% vermiculite. So let's add in our ingredients. The first one is vermiculite. This increases water and nutrient retention and aerates the soil. Perlite helps increase the drainage of the plant. Worm castings are a natural fertilizer. They help also to retain moisture. They contain minerals like nitrates, potassium, magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus. Another ingredient is standard indoor potting soil. Now, this also helps increase aeration and water retention and nutrient retention. Now, this orchid bark mix is a mixture of fir bark, activated charcoal, and coarse perlite. Using something like this will increase aeration and nutrient retention. This is your standard orchid bark mix. This increases aeration as well as nutrient retention. Sphagnum peat moss also increases aeration and water retention as well as nutrient retention. pH of the soil could change if you use too much of it. I use very, very little of it. I also substitute it with just using more Coco Coir. Coco Coir helps retain the moisture without water logging it. This increases aeration, increases water retention, and nutrient retention. Now stir together all the ingredients, making sure that you blend everything really nicely together. So it's really important here to use a pot that has a lot of drainage holes in the bottom. Not just one or two, but make sure there are several drainage holes. That way the water can pass through very easily. These plants do not like to be waterlogged. And then I make sure to press down lightly on the soil. And then I like to dress mine with this fir bark, charcoal, and coarse perlite mixture. I really like the way it looks, and it also offers some benefits of moisture retention as well as nutrient retention, and the activated charcoal helps to cleanse, kind of an added benefit. Then make sure that you water your plant thoroughly, letting the water pass through the drainage holes. Then best of all, enjoy your plant. Thank you for joining me today. Please go to plantlux.com to sign up and be notified when we launch our website.